Lonqi Microneedle Patch is being marketed as a high-tech weight loss solution that can supposedly burn fat just by sticking a patch on your skin. But the real question is whether this actually works or just sounds scientific. The product usually claims to use microneedle technology to deliver ingredients into your body, helping to boost metabolism, reduce fat, and control appetite without diet or exercise. Some ads even suggest you can see results in just a few days, which already raises a red flag. The idea of microneedles itself is real and used in medical settings, but there is no solid evidence that over-the-counter weight loss patches like this can actually burn fat in humans. Most research is either very limited or only tested in animals, not real-world users. In fact, experts say weight loss patches in general are not backed by strong clinical evidence, and supplements like these don't need to prove effectiveness before being sold. There's also a bigger concern. Many microneedle patch products follow a known pattern where the branding changes frequently, but the marketing stays the same, promising fast fat loss, brown fat activation, and results without effort. Independent tests on similar patches show little to no real results, with users reporting no weight loss, poor adhesion, or the patch simply not doing anything noticeable. From Reddit discussions, the sentiment is even more blunt. Scam. Doesn't work at all. Haven't lost a single pound. Others point out that real weight loss simply doesn't work that way, and patches like this are often just placebo or ineffective products. So, does a Lonqi microneedle patch actually burn fat? There's no solid evidence that it does, and the claims are very likely exaggerated. The bottom line is that this is most likely another viral weight loss patch relying on scientific-sounding terms and aggressive marketing, rather than proven results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.